The early 1980s featured one of the fastest-growing segments of aviation, that of ultralight aircraft. Over 40 years have passed, with many of the aircraft introduced during this time, still safely flying today, and being offered for sale on the used ultralight market. This series of short video clips gives information on the ultralight flyer's recommendation for aircraft that we have flown, owned and/or built. All of these aircraft still have manufacturers producing parts for their repair and continued airworthiness. In this segment we will take a quick look at the Buccaneer Amphibian XA. The Buccaneer XA is a single-seat amphibious ultralight that was offered in kit form. The Buccaneer XA was designed by Jack Hutchinson and Bruce Pemberton and originally manufactured by Highcraft Aero Marine, then Advanced Aviation, and finally Cuthan Aircraft. Bob Bailey, designer and manufacturer of the Dragonfly tow plane and several ultralight gliders, was also involved in the early design and production. The Buccaneer XA amphibious ultralight aircraft was first introduced in 1984. It was the first amphibious single-hull ultralight to enter the market. It featured bolt-together aluminum tubing for the main frame fuselage, with a center-mounted fiberglass hull bolted to it. The wings, tail section, ailerons and rear fuselage were also constructed using bolt-together aluminum tubing covered in Dacron sailcloth. The hull and two wing sponses are fiberglass. All but early models use standard 3-axis, stick and rudder controls, in a taildragger, pusher configuration. Power was originally supplied by a Rotax 277, 28 horsepower, two-stroke engine. Later models were powered by the Rotax 377, 447 and 503 engines. The craft uses a center-mounted stick, with a left-hand throttle. Retracting the gear involved, grabbing the gear leg and hooking the wheel onto a gear support bar. You reversed the process to lower the gear. Climb rate on the XA with a Rotax 447 engine was 750 feet per minute, cruise came in at 55 to 60 miles per hour, the stall speed was 25 miles per hour. If considering purchasing a used Buccaneer Amphibian XA, it is the ultralight flyer's recommendation that the plane's fabric be tested. The airframe, wings, landing gear, and the control systems be thoroughly inspected. If the history of the engine is unknown, it is recommended that the exhaust be removed and the pistons inspected for wear and seizure. At the time of production of this video, the ultralight flyer would estimate the retail value of a used Buccaneer Amphibian XA from the 1980s to be between $5,000 and $7,500. For a troubleshooting report on the Buccaneer XA, visit www.ultralightnews.com. The ultralight flyer also recommends that the buyer contact Aero Adventure at www.c-planes.com to inquire about any modifications or updates that the factory might recommend.